channel. In this channel, I'll be talking about WordPress website development, digital marketing, and AI automation related videos I'll be uploading. So do subscribe to my channel, and all the necessary links are given in the video description. So here in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add a theme in your WordPress dashboard, WordPress website. So once you come to your dashboard, click on appearance and go to themes. Here you can see all your themes which is installed on your website. So currently this theme is installed and active. These are all the themes which are just installed but not active. So here you can press add new theme. Here you can search for any theme, whichever theme you want. For example, I'll search Ocean WP. Here you can see Ocean WP theme. You can install it, you can preview it. Let me show you. Here you can click install and then you can click activate. Then your theme will be installed and activated. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.